You know that moment when your tenant texts you a photo of a leaky faucet at 11 at night and you just stare at your phone like it personally betrayed you? That right there is the entire drama of midterm rentals. Because you are not running a hotel with a front desk, you are running a relationship that lasts weeks or months and needs actual communication skills. Here's the thing nobody tells new hosts. Repair requests are not emergencies most of the time, they are just awkward conversations waiting to happen. The fix is not fancier tools, it is having a template ready so you are not improvising customer service like it is a cooking show, and the mystery ingredient is stress. Let us start with the acknowledgement message because silence is the villain here. Something like "thanks so much for flagging this, I am on it and will have an update for you within 24 hours" does more emotional heavy lifting than you would think. It tells the tenant they are not shouting into a void. Think about it like ordering food delivery. You do not need your burrito in 5 minutes, you just need the app to say it is being made. Tenants are the same. They can handle a slow repair way better than a repair that feels ignored. Now for the triage template. Because not every issue deserves the same panic level. A good message separates urgent from not urgent. Something like, is this actively causing damage or a safety risk? Or, can it wait for a scheduled visit because a flickering hallway light and a burst pipe are not cousins? They are not even in the same family reunion. Here's where the scheduling template earns its paycheck. You want something like, I have a technician available Tuesday between 9 in the morning and noon, or Thursday afternoon, which works better for you, because giving 2 options feels like choice, giving 1 option feels like a summons. Funny how humans work, right? The same message with options feels respectful, and the same message as a command feels like your landlord is auditioning for a role in a movie about eviction. Small wording changes are basically the special effects budget of tenant relations. Let us talk about the access template, because this is where things get chaotic if you skip it. Confirm access details clearly. Like, our technician will need access to the unit. Will you be home, or should we use the lockbox? Because assuming access is how horror movies start, someone walks into a home unannounced and nobody is happy. Data-wise, property management surveys have shown response time is one of the top 3 factors in tenant satisfaction, right up there with cleanliness and price. That means your canned message template is not just admin work, it is basically a satisfaction score generator disguised as boring paperwork. Now the update template. The unsung hero. Something like, quick update. The part has been ordered and we expect completion by Friday. Thanks for your patience. Because tenants do not need perfection, they need to feel like they are not forgotten in some landlord black hole. Let us bust a myth here. A lot of hosts think apologizing constantly makes them look weak. Actually, the opposite is true. A short professional acknowledgement builds trust faster than silence dressed up as competence. So stop treating communication like it costs you authority. Here's the completion template, which closes the loop like a good sitcom finale. Something like, the repair has been completed, please let us know if everything is working properly, because leaving things open-ended is basically inviting a sequel nobody asked for. Now think about tone for a second, because word choice matters more than people admit. Swap "I apologize for the inconvenience" with "thanks for your patience while we handled this." Because one sounds like guilt and the other sounds like teamwork, and teamwork is the whole point of a midterm stay. Here is a lesson dressed up as a plot twist. Most tenant complaints are not really about the broken thing, they are about feeling unheard while the thing stays broken. Fix the communication gap and the actual leaky faucet becomes a footnote instead of the main character. So if you are managing midterm rentals, build these 5 templates now. Acknowledge, triage, schedule, update, and close, and keep them ready like fire extinguishers you hope you never need but are thankful exist. Preparation beats panic every single time, and rational systems beat frantic late-night texting sessions. Want to learn more about how we help hosts handle stuff like this? Check out our links in the description below.